Hey, it is time to total up the amount that I was able to save in my sinking funds in the month of August. It's September, you guys. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Can't even believe it. Today's what? I don't even know. Tuesday, September 3rd. I hope that you had a wonderful Labor Day weekend. If you did anything, we hung out with family, and so for that reason, my normal schedule, I should have had a video up yesterday, but I just didn't have anything to put up, so that's, that's that. So, okay, let's just get into it. This is my seasonal undated budget planner. It is available on Amazon. It's linked below. And we are getting close to a full year of using this, you guys. I started this in November, but I know I said I may continue. I do have extra pages left. We'll see. So yeah, this is what we're going to be using today, but it's full color. It's kind of themed to like the holidays and seasons and things like that. I do also have a neutral version linked below in case you're interested or in the market for a new planner. So that's that. So what are we doing? We are doing the sinking funds for August. So here's my August section. And if we move to the sinking funds section, here we go. So we're going to do August. I did make a mistake last month and yeah, I was all mixed up. So this is August. So here's what we're going to do. I like to use this if you're new here. I like to use this tracker because I just like to be able to see how much I'm adding to my sinking funds from month to month. So it's just a nice little kind of, I don't know, I guess you could say like record keeping kind of routine for me. And I think that there are some people out there that do enjoy this type of video. So this tracker obviously comes in your planner. So if you decide to get this planner, you will be able to do, the same thing every month. So you have your sinking fund. So the name of your sinking fund, the starting balance, the ending balance, and then the difference. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the previous month and I am going to carry over the name of the sinking fund and then the ending balance. The ending balance for last month is going to be my starting balance for this month. And then my ending balance is going to be whatever I count up that's in my envelopes. So that's going to tell me what the difference is and how much I added or took out of each sinking fund. Hopefully that makes sense. So right now, what I'm going to start by doing is just go ahead and transferring all these numbers over, and I will be right back. Okay, so the total that we had at the end of last month, meaning the start of this month, is $1,589 in our sinking funds. So now we're going to go ahead and get out the binders and we're going to count up what's in each fund. And then we'll go ahead and calculate the difference. So I don't go in order of my list. I just go in order of my envelopes. Obviously, that is what is easiest. And let me know how you all are. Did you do anything for Labor Day? Like I said, we just spent time with family a couple different days, had some cookouts. It was nice. And what was I going to say? I forget, but I hope you had a good weekend regardless. All right, so in Penelope, we started with 128. We have 100, 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 138 now, so that's plus 10. I don't anticipate a lot of increases, but hopefully we'll be in the positive with the difference instead of negative. Household is empty. We had nothing. We still have nothing. Same with clothing. Let's see, car maintenance. We started with 64 here in car maintenance. We now have 50, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, still 64. So no change there. Holidays, 100 is what we started with. A lot of these I feel like I didn't really add to. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 90, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and still 100 in there. Should probably get some sort quick on, but whatever. Okay, let's see. 0, 0. All right, gifts / birthdays. We started with 113. We have 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 10, 25, 30, 2, 3. 133 in here. 133, so that's plus 20. School. We started with 97. Let's see, 20, 40, 50, 65, 75, 80, 81, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 90, 91, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Still 97 here in school. And once again, school has started. So I'm not really anticipating needing much of that. School pictures are coming up in like a week or two already. So I will probably use that money, some of that money, to order some school pictures. Family photos is empty. And we are already finished with one binder. All right, let's get on to the second binder. Amazon Prime, we started with 100 and we now have 120 in here. And if you see, you know, the fake money or the money with the stickers, that just means that's actually in my savings account. Like for Amazon Prime, for example, no need to have real cash in there. That just, you know, is gonna, when I pay that, I'm just going to take the money right out of the savings account to pay that. Beauty, we started with 125, 20, 40, 60, 80, 125 still. 125 in there, so no change. And then vacation, I actually have some money here from a savings challenge, so let's just go ahead and stuff this now because why not? This is the perfect time. This savings challenge was from Janelle over at Janelle Ray Budgets, and it was a pretty good one. So let's take this out, and I'm gonna see how much this is and go ahead and add it on my tracker here. So we have 50, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 10, 25, 35, 45, 50, 250, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 269 we're adding. Wowza. That was an awesome challenge. Okay, so today is September 3rd. And because I can't math right now, 269 plus 70 is 339. So this is starting to build up nicely, and I do need around, I think, 1,500 or so for our cruise. We have a cruise coming up in April, just my husband and myself, for our 10-year wedding anniversary, and the balance that I owe, like I said, is around 1,500 or 1,600. So let's give this a quick count once again. 51, 50, no, 100, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 30, 45, 50, 300, 5, 10, 15, 20, 22, 23, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 31, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 339. I know I counted that really weird. But we started with 70 and now we have 339. So that's a big boost. We love to see it. So 339 minus 70, we added 269. Okay, I'll take it. Subscriptions, we had 20 in here and we still just have 20. I do need to try to bump that up. I have my Sirius XM subscription coming out very soon. Emergency, we started with 40 and we now have 50 in here. Oh, all right, so 50, that's plus 10. Debt, I haven't been stuffing. Medical, we had 25. And we still have 25 here in medical. So no change there. Groceries, we had 44. Now we have 20, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4. So still 44. I spent money this past weekend to buy like things to bring to different parties. I had 2 different like cookouts at family, and so I really should have taken that money out. I spent way over that, but I didn't. Okay, and last but not least, let's see, family photos was 0. Last but not least, taxes, we started with 663. And we now have 5, 6, 720, 40, 1, 2, 3, 743. And once again, this is due, let's see, 743. This is due in like 12 days. So I have to get that other 60 bucks. And I'm going to be able to with the Etsy payout that I get this week. So yes, so thank you so much if you have been supporting my Etsy shop. All right, so now what we do is I'm going to go ahead and add the ending balance up and then the difference and see if it all jives together. So I'll be right back. Okay, so we now have $1,998, and you guys, I just realized there are no minuses here. That is amazing. Now, it's going to be, looks to be around 400, about 400 bucks. Is that a lot? But no, but it's a positive. I didn't take from the sinking funds, and we're working on building them back up. So I am super excited about that. So if I do 1998 minus 1589, my difference is plus 409. So when I add all of these up, this should be 409. And if it is, then I know how to do math. Let's see. Yes, do you see that? I love it when it all works out. So in the month of August, we added $409 to our sinking funds, and that makes me really, really happy. Like I said, my goal for the rest of the year is working on saving money and paying down debt, and so we're doing it, baby. All right, that is it for this one. If you have any questions about how I do this or anything like that, of course, let me know. Thank you so much for watching. Again, I'm sorry I didn't have a video yesterday, but you know, I just took some time to relax. Let's see, Etsy orders. If you have an outstanding order, I am going to be working on them as much as possible today. I would love to get them all out today. I don't know if that will be possible or not, but I'm really going to try. If not today, I'm hoping tomorrow at the latest. And yeah, since this video, you know, didn't come out yesterday, I am going to try to also get it up today. So busy, busy, busy around here, but I appreciate you being here. I love you all so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.